sound of a dramatic thunderclap. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the secrets of one of nature's most powerful forces, hurricanes. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Hurricanes, those colossal tempests that can span hundreds of miles, are among the most awe-inspiring and destructive phenomena on our planet. But beyond their raw power, hurricanes hold secrets that are both fascinating and terrifying. From their mysterious origins to their surprising impacts, there's much more to these storms than meets the eye. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of hurricanes, exploring their formation, the categories that define them, the unexpected places they've struck, and the profound effects of climate change. We'll also share crucial safety tips that could one day save your life, so buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the untold secrets of hurricanes. The birth of a hurricane is a tale of heat, moisture, and atmospheric dynamics. It all begins over warm ocean waters, typically in the tropics where sea surface temperatures exceed 26.5 degrees Celsius. This warm water acts as the fuel for the storm, providing the necessary heat and moisture. As the sun heats the ocean, water evaporates, rising into the atmosphere and creating a zone of low pressure. This warm, moist air then cools and condenses, forming towering cumulonimbus clouds. The process releases latent heat, which further warms the surrounding air, causing it to rise and draw in more warm, moist air from the ocean's surface. This cycle of rising warm air and falling cool air creates a powerful updraft, and as the Earth's rotation influences the system, it begins to spin. This spinning motion, known as the Coriolis effect, is crucial for the development of a hurricane's characteristic spiral shape. As the storm system organizes, it forms a central eye, a calm region surrounded by the eye wall where the most intense winds and rain occur. The energy of the storm continues to build as long as it remains over warm waters, eventually becoming a fully fledged hurricane. Hurricanes are classified into categories based on their wind speeds using the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. This scale ranges from Category 1 to Category 5, with each category representing a significant increase in potential damage and danger. A Category 1 hurricane has sustained winds of 74 to 95 miles per hour. While these storms can cause some damage to buildings and vegetation, they are generally considered the least severe. However, even a Category 1 hurricane can produce dangerous storm surges and flooding. Category 2 hurricanes, with winds of 96 to 110 miles per hour, can cause extensive damage to roofs, windows, and doors. Power outages are common, and there is a higher risk of injury from flying debris. These storms also pose a significant threat to coastal areas due to storm surges. When a hurricane reaches Category 3, with winds of 111 to 129 miles per hour, it is classified as a major hurricane. These storms can cause devastating damage, including the destruction of small buildings and severe flooding. Evacuation orders are often issued for areas in the path of a Category 3 hurricane. Category 4 hurricanes, with winds of 130 to 156 miles per hour, bring catastrophic damage. Well-built homes can sustain severe damage, and most trees will be snapped or uprooted. Power outages can last for weeks, and the affected areas may be uninhabitable for months. Finally, a Category 5 hurricane with winds exceeding 157 miles per hour is the most powerful and destructive. These storms can completely destroy buildings, uproot trees, and cause massive flooding. The impact of a Category 5 hurricane can be felt for years, and recovery is a long and arduous process. Chapter 3. While hurricanes are most commonly associated with the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean, they can and do occur in some surprising places. One such location is the South Atlantic, where hurricanes are extremely rare due to cooler sea surface temperatures and unfavorable wind patterns. In 2004, however, Hurricane Katrina defied the odds, becoming the first recorded hurricane in the South Atlantic. This unexpected storm struck the coast of Brazil, causing significant damage and highlighting the unpredictable nature of these powerful systems. Another unusual location for hurricanes is the Mediterranean Sea. Known as medicanes, these storms are rare but can still pack a punch. In 2018, a hurricane named Zorbas formed and impacted Greece, bringing heavy rain, strong winds and flooding to the region. Hurricanes have also been known to travel far from their tropical origins. In 2018, Hurricane Ophelia reached as far north as Ireland, bringing strong winds and heavy rain to the British Isles. This unusual path was influenced by a combination of warm sea surface temperatures and favorable atmospheric conditions. These unexpected hurricane locations remind us that while we can predict and prepare for many aspects of these storms, their behavior can still surprise us. It underscores the importance of being vigilant and prepared no matter where we live. Chapter 4. Climate change is having a profound impact on the frequency and intensity of hurricanes. As global temperatures rise, so do sea surface temperatures, providing more fuel for these powerful storms. This increase in heat energy leads to more intense hurricanes with higher wind speeds and greater potential for damage. One of the most concerning trends is the increase in the number of major hurricanes, those classified as Category 3 or higher. Studies have shown that the proportion of these powerful storms has increased over the past few decades, correlating with rising global temperatures. In addition to more intense storms, climate change is also contributing to higher storm surges and more severe flooding. As sea levels rise due to melting ice caps and thermal expansion, coastal areas are more vulnerable to the impacts of hurricanes. Storm surges, which are already dangerous, become even more destructive when combined with higher sea levels. Another effect of climate change is the potential for hurricanes to form in previously unaffected areas. As sea surface temperatures rise, regions that were once too cool to support hurricane development may now become breeding grounds for these storms. This could lead to hurricanes impacting areas that are not traditionally prepared for such events. While the relationship between climate change and hurricanes is complex, the evidence is clear that our changing climate is influencing these powerful storms. It underscores the importance of addressing climate change and taking action to mitigate its impacts, not only for the sake of our environment, but also for the safety and well-being of communities around the world. Chapter 5. Surviving a hurricane requires preparation, awareness, and quick action. While many safety tips are well known, there are some lesser-known strategies that can make a significant difference in ensuring your safety and the safety of your loved ones. One crucial tip is to have a well-stocked emergency kit. This kit should include essentials such as water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. It's also important to have copies of important documents such as identification and insurance papers in a waterproof container. Another important safety measure is to secure your home. This includes reinforcing windows and doors, securing loose outdoor items, and trimming trees and shrubs to reduce the risk of flying debris. Installing storm shutters or boarding up windows can provide additional protection. Evacuation plans are also essential. Know the evacuation routes in your area and have a plan for where you will go if you need to leave your home. It's important to leave early as roads can become congested and conditions can deteriorate quickly. Communication is key during a hurricane. Make sure you have a way to receive emergency alerts, such as a battery-powered weather radio. Keep in touch with family and friends to let them know your plans and check in on their safety. After the storm has passed, be cautious when returning to your home. Floodwaters can hide dangers such as downed power lines and sharp debris. Avoid walking or driving through flooded areas, and wait for official announcements that it is safe to return. By taking these precautions and staying informed, you can increase your chances of staying safe during a hurricane. Remember, preparation is key, and it's always better to be over-prepared than caught off guard. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, stay safe and stay informed. See you next time. Hurricanes are a powerful reminder of the forces of nature and the importance of being prepared. By understanding their origins, the impact of climate change, and the necessary safety measures, we can better protect ourselves and our communities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the natural world and tips to stay safe in the face of nature's challenges. Hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos. Until next time, stay vigilant and stay safe.